back with a new video of me using Canva to create a mood board. So really with this video, I'm just like not even thinking about what I'm putting on the board. I'm just using all of the stuff that I already have uploaded in Canva, which seems like a lot, but y'all should see my phone. It got way more stuff in it. So I'm just using items that I think would go together well, and using some of the features that go along with the Canva Pro version. So they've added a lot of new features, and I'm not sure if this one is on Pro or regular or what, but they have an effects feature, and with the effects feature you can remove the background on any item. I normally use items with white backgrounds or close to white backgrounds. If it has like a bunch of stuff on the background, it'll come off, but not as much as you would want it to. So I think it's safe to stay around the white or close to white background. I'm just going to put a couple of items together. If you are an interior designer and you provide e-design services, and maybe you don't want to do a full e-design and you just want to do a mood board or some type of e-design mock-up, I think this is a good route for you to go. So and you can learn from this video how to capture your clients or viewers attention with a popping mood board. So just stay tuned, watch and see how I do it, and subscribe to my channel, click the notifications bell, and yeah.